That's good. Good job.
Cheese, Mom.
I'm taking your picture. Can you show me how you swim with your head up?
That's Mommy.
Show me how you swim with your head up. Wait, with your head up. I want to see you breathe while you're swimming.
Mom. Okay.
Good. Good job.
I got it. It's stuck.
What are you going to do?
I don't have to jump.
A dolphin jump? Grab it. You got it. Good. That was a good dolphin jump. Woo! Good, Cam. You need help? Good job.
Mommy.
Yes.
Oh.
What does a dolphin say?
It's weak. Wow.
Hold on, make the
Oh,
dolphin.
Mommy. A butterfly.
It's a bird. Can you make the dolphin sounds?
I see, Mom.
Show me the dolphin jump. Whoops.
Huh?
Show me the dolphin jump.
I don't stop. Look, this is Mommy.